Check, check. Am I in the shot? All right, guys, we're back in the garage again. This is my 2000 4Runner, and today I'm going to show you really quickly how to replace both air intake hoses. These crack over time, so it's a good thing to replace it because it could mess with your fuel air ratio. This is a good thing to do. It'll keep the computer and the engine happy. I'm going to link this down below. It's cheap, so let's get to it. The first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect your battery, because then the computer will then relearn and adjust your fuel and air ratios. I'm going to shoot this clamp down with some silicone spray. I'll link this down below too. I basically drink this stuff every day for breakfast. So I'm going to hit all my clamps here, just get those nice and lubed up. All right, so we got this vacuum line here. Just pop this out of this clip here. And then there's a little tension clamp here. I can just get it by hand, so that comes off. Channel locks, if you can't do it by hand. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and loosen this clamp here. And I'm gonna loosen this upper clamp on the throttle body. I got another vacuum hose here. All right, and you got a little vacuum line here going to the sound silencer. You can just pull this bad boy off now. It just pulls off the throttle body here. Just work this sucker off. These split, you can see I put gasket maker on that one, but just set that off to the side there. All right, let's go to the bench. Doesn't hurt to have a frosty beverage, so check it out. All right, got my new intake tubes here. I'll put the links down below. You get both pieces. So far, rubber feels good. All right, here are the old tubes. All right, so you're just gonna work on removing these little clamps here to get these both off. Here's the upper one. It's got the vacuum nipple on it. Comes with 2 hose clamps. Did a test fit on the throttle body and it feels pretty good. Phillips. Just a little ring clamp. It also comes with these with new metal clamps, but I think I'm gonna use the originals. Got some mass airflow sensor cleaner on a rag here. It's safe for plastic, so I clean this up a little bit. Goes this way. Right, there's a tab here, so you have to line it up with this notch like that. I'm gonna use the old clamp here, lube up that screw. So it's gonna come apart like that. Slip that on here. And that's gonna go on like this. Tighten your clamp down now, all the way tight. Before you commit, just check that it's all seated. Fully seated. Hold it together, you know, as you do it. Feels good to me. Feels better than before. All right, so while I'm here, I like the old one. I'm gonna use the old one. Just get that on there. This is the part that goes to the throttle body here. All right, so now I'm gonna work on this bottom one. Just go ahead and take this, loosen this up. Set that aside. Loosen this up. Pull it off. Compare it. Here's the new one. You do get new clamps. You've got the mount here, and it's just a pipe like this. Get your notch, and then that's it. safe on plastic. Clean it up a bit. It's not rocket science, you know. It's not the Taj Mahal. This guy I worked with used to say, "Oh, we're not building the Taj Mahal." And it's true, we're not. So we need our little clamp. Come off, put it on. Line up our notch here. Feels good to me. I'm impressed with the parts. These are cheap. The rubber is nice and supple, and these clamps are fitting on nicely, and so far so good, I think. Double check. Yep, fits well. It's got a notch on the bottom. That's lining up nicely there. Yeah, that's nice. I'm excited. I think it's gonna run better. It's just gonna be tighter. Everything's gonna be tighter. Tension that up. Pull check. And this one's gonna go to the airbox. We're ready for install here. Let me get you set up. It goes in like this. Make sure you're all clear here. So, since everything's more flexible now because it's new, it's a lot easier to get in and out. I'm actually going to, I'm gonna hit the throttle body with some brake cleaner. Get a better seal on it. So yeah, you know what to do. You just drop this in, give it a little squeeze, and that's gonna fit right in there. Get it over the airbox. Get it under the throttle body. Line up your notch up here. Undo your clamp a little bit more. That's gonna just slide right on. Make sure you're on all the way around, up, down, left, right.
Tighten this bad boy up.
I'm impressed with these parts so far. Nice and tight. Tug test, perfect.
Perfect.
Do the bottom one. Yeah, I'm impressed. These are cheap too, man. But they totally are. Dude, they're totally fine. For the price, you can't beat that. So then you just got this one vacuum line. Check the videos soon. I'm gonna do all my vacuum lines. Pop that on. You got this little one here. And then you got this one here. I'm doing all my vacuum lines tomorrow. I'll post the video that day or the next day. And that's it. You're good to go. So I hope that helps. Well, subscribe to the channel. It means a lot to me. Thanks for watching. I need to go inside. I'm freezing my ass off. See ya.